Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a taste test of some snacks I just bought from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just filmed a Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully I post this one. I've filmed lots of hauls before that I don't post for one reason or the other. And I found 4 snacks that I was curious about. I haven't tried yet, and so I'm gonna try them on camera. You can tell me if you hate them, if you love them. They actually did not have my most recent favorite snack, which was these apple chips that are so good. Let me show you what I have. So there's the So Natural plantain chips that are chili lime flavored. Also chili flavored are the chili pineapple wedges and banana chips, because like I don't know what banana chips taste like. And then cassava yuca chips. I actually haven't seen banana chips in my Dollar Tree in a very long time. They used to have a Dollar Tree version, and I would put those into a trail mix of all Dollar Tree items. Trail mix is so expensive, and sometimes there's stuff in there I don't even really like. So if you can, you might as well make your own. Let's do this one first. These are the plantain chips in chili lime. 3 servings per container. There's 3 ounces in here, 7 grams of fat, 19 grams carb, 1 gram of protein. This is what they look like. Salty, tiny bit limey. Where's the chili? A little bit in the after. These are all pretty intact. Sometimes you buy snacks like this and they're all broken up, but these are thick enough. Let's try another snack. Why am I trying banana chips? So these are standard banana chips, fairly on the thick side. Good deal. These are 3.5 ounce bags. A third a cup is a serving size, 6 servings per container. 8 grams of fat per serving, 20 grams carb, 1 gram of protein. Delicious if you want a sweet little something. Okay, let's go back to chili flavored, although I don't know that those plantain chips were chili flavored. Woo! You can really smell it. You know what's good is, oh no, I got it from Marshall's. They have mango with chili on them. So good. In fact, I think I even have some in my purse. I do. So weird. Anyway, that's what they look like. Anyway, let's get back to the chili pineapple. Ooh, these are red. There we go. Ooh, definitely spicier than the plantain chips. I do like these. If you like sweet and spicy, ooh, I got a little back of the throat burn. I like it. 2.25 ounces per bag. Serving size, a quarter cup, about 2.5 servings per container. 0 grams of fat per serving, 25 grams of carbs expected. It's very sweet. And then 0 of protein. So this is another snack that if you just want a little, like about that much sweet, a little bit. Okay, last snack is the So Natural cassava. These are 3 ounce bags. Serving size 1 ounce, 3 servings per container, 7 grams of fat per serving, 19 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of protein. Ooh, these look pretty intact. You can see the pattern of the yuca. It's not very salty. It's like having a low sodium potato chip, but in a good way, because it's really crunchy, like you know how kettle chips are really crunchy. Ooh, the crunch is very satisfying. If you want something sweet or really salty, these are not what you should get. But if you just kind of want something crunchy, that kind of satisfaction, give it a shot. All right. So that is it for these treats. Definitely, if you've got a sweet tooth and you like chili, spicy, and pineapple, I would recommend those. I'm not sure, to be honest, if I would purchase these again. Only because there's some other things at the Dollar Tree I kind of want to try. So different versions of tostones, different versions of cassava chips. There's quite a variety of those that I would try first before coming back to these. But I don't regret buying these at all. These are definitely satisfying. Banana chips are they're banana candy. You know, come on, can't go wrong there. All right, so that is it for this Dollar Tree snack haul taste test kind of video. I hope you're all doing well. If there is a snacky kind of food that I need to keep an eye out for at the tree, let me know, because sometimes I will just walk on by stuff and not notice them, and they would have been there for like months and months. But because somebody told me to look out for something, then I noticed that it's there and I can give it a try. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.